Hey Bella dolls, welcome back. So you know what this means when I'm sitting here? We have a new product, and this product, we've been in business for 8 years. It's literally, do you hear me? Literally taking me 8 years to find the perfect non-shedding, non-dry, non-feeling like Barbie doll hair ever. We have 613. Can I get a moment of silence for this? Because literally I get this question at least 3 times a week. Do you have 613? Do you have 613? Why you don't have 613? Some of my OG Bella dolls, they like, listen, Bree, we only trust your opinion when it comes to hair. We only trust your quality. We know you have the eye for it. When are you going to have it? Listen, it's taken me 8 years. Granted, I have not been searching constantly for 8 years, because after the first 2 years, I was like, bump it, you know, like whatever. Like I just didn't want to put out something that was not quality, you know, because y'all know I don't play about the quality. And then not even on top of that, y'all know it takes me forever to put out a product, because if I do like it, it goes through so many rounds of testing. If you guys, maybe I should do that. On the next product, I want to take you guys on the journey with me of testing out products, of flying over there to manufacturers, of when I say I do not play when it comes to quality, it's very important to me. So I'd rather not put it out at all than to just put out anything. And then on top of the quality, y'all know I want to have it for a good price for y'all. So the wait is over. We finally here. We growing. We got it. So I currently have in the 613 here. I've been testing this hair out for the longest. The difference with mine, you guys may have seen I did a video on this bob, but the difference with mine is I did tone it. So I toned it down to this color because I like this color for my skin tone. This is the 613 color that it comes, so you can either wear it as is, you can tone it to a different color, or you can put a color on top of it. Red, orange. Orange is a hot color this season. It's fall, so put your beautiful oranges over it. So yeah, let's get into the details. So with the 613 hair, I will only be offering it, Hair by Belle Bree, we will only be offering it in straight. We won't be offering it in body wave. We won't be offering it in color. I mean curly hair. And I know a lot of you have been asking me about, is it going to come in Burmese exotic wave? And no, it's not. And the reason why it's not is because with me testing it out, I have noticed that in different patterns of body wave, curly, deep wave, it's drier. It's so much better when it's just straight. I've learned that in my testing. So I prefer just to only do it straight. If you want curls, curl the hair. It curls. It holds a really good curl. These curls are old. This is actually from that video. I haven't touched it or anything because y'all know, well, y'all know I store my wigs in like containers, so I just had to bring it out, shake it out, and I just shaked it and put it on. So it does hold a good curl. Does it color? It absolutely colors. I don't know if some of you guys have seen the I don't know if I put a picture of, but I have some hair that I've been wearing in different colors that making sure that it holds a good curl, holds a good color. So I've been testing all that out, and the shedding, let's get into it. So 613 hair is the most shedding hair ever. Okay, all of that hair that I was testing out in the previous years was shedding like crazy. This is the lowest minimum shedding that I have ever seen in 613 hair. Even the people that I was giving it to that was testing, it was like, wow, this is really good. Like, it's not shedding. It's not, you know, normally 613 hair sheds. That's what you expect out of 613 hair. But it's a low minimum shedding. Am I saying it's not going to shed at all? Absolutely not. I'm not even going to tell you that your real hair not going to shed at all, because real hair does shed. So this does shed, but it's the minimum. When I say y'all minimum, it's a minimum shedding. And so now you're gonna ask me, are you gonna have the matching closures and frontals? Absolutely. You know I have, y'all. So boom, voila. The frontal, the lace is already thin. It's already nicely thin. Okay? So it's gonna melt right into your skin. So yes, I have the frontals. And of course, because majority of us, even including myself, I'm a girl that prefers a closure. So yes, I will be having the closures. Right now we have the 4x4s. I'm in the process of manufacturing to see if I can get some 5x5s and possibly 6x6s. So let's just hold out on that. You know, I will announce it once it's available, but for now I do have the 4x4s ready for you guys. So do y'all want to see this hair up close? Should we do our famous infamous close-up? I think we should. Let's see. So here you have it, the 613. This is an 18, 20, and 22. And I'm going to put my hands through it and nothing. Nothing. This hair is very low, okay? So look, I got one, I don't know if it's going to zoom in, but I got one strand out of that. Normally when you put your hands through 613 hair, it's a lot of hair that comes out. So these bundles are some really good bundles. And let's get a close-up look of the luster. Listen, y'all, I am so in love with this 613 hair. Like, honestly, it is some beautiful, beautiful hair. And next, let me go ahead and show you the frontals. Now, the frontal is really good because I actually love the lace on this. It's a very thin lace. And no, this isn't considered HD, but the lace on here is so super thin that it's actually going to melt perfectly into your skin. And the hairline isn't like super thick. It's already a little bit of pre-plucking, so you can go ahead and, you know, if you want to pluck it, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. And then of course the closure is the same lace material as well. So yeah, this is just a 4x4 and it's nicely full. A nice full closure. Because a lot of the closures that I was looking at for the 613 hair were thin. They were like super thin. Alright, so that's the announcement. I'm so glad that I can finally release this to you guys. And yes, it is available now online. And thank you so much, Bella Dolls, for your patience. But please purchase the hair and let me know your thoughts and everything on it, because I know that you ladies are going to love it. Thank you. Bye.